Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best engine degreaser available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, WD-40 Specialist Engine Degreaser. This fast-acting degreaser is designed for heavy-duty cleaning and restoration of mechanical tools, equipment, and industrial surfaces. Its industrial-strength solvent formula works on contact, rapidly breaking down stubborn grease, oil, and grime on engines, gears, and heavy machinery, helping restore both appearance and performance. One of its key strengths is its ability to free stuck components such as threads, locks, chains, nuts, and bolts, making maintenance and repairs significantly easier and more efficient. Beyond cleaning, it leaves behind a thin protective layer that helps prevent rust from reforming, adding a layer of ongoing protection after application. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of workshop, automotive, and industrial uses, reducing downtime and effort in maintenance tasks. Overall, it delivers a strong balance of fast action, deep cleaning power, and protective performance, making it a reliable solution for professionals and DIY users dealing with tough mechanical grease buildup. Next up, we have Car Engine Degreaser. This engine brightener is designed to restore a clean, refreshed look to engine bays by effectively removing burned oil, dirt buildup, and grime that accumulates around valve covers and on engine surfaces. It targets stubborn, heat-cooked residues that are typically difficult to clean, helping bring back a more maintained and visually appealing engine appearance. The application process is simple and user-friendly. Just spray onto the affected areas and use a microfiber towel to gently break down and lift away contaminants, making it suitable for both quick touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions. However, it is important to follow safety instructions and never apply the product on a hot engine to avoid potential hazards or reduced effectiveness. Overall, it offers a convenient and efficient solution for automotive detailing, combining ease of use with strong cleaning performance to improve engine bay aesthetics and maintain a cleaner, more professional-looking vehicle condition. In at number 3, Chemical Guys Engine Degreaser. This heavy-duty engine degreaser is a professional-grade cleaning solution designed to tackle some of the toughest automotive grime with ease. It quickly breaks down grease, oil, dirt, and road buildup on engines, tires, undercarriages, tools, and workshop equipment, restoring surfaces to a much cleaner, more maintained condition. Its strong, contact-activated formula works efficiently for both light and extreme cleaning tasks, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. It can be used full strength for heavy-duty degreasing or diluted for lighter maintenance cleaning, offering flexibility for different detailing needs. The spray-on application is simple: apply, scrub if needed, and rinse for fast results. Designed for professional detailers yet accessible for enthusiasts, it delivers reliable performance even on the dirtiest jobs. The added citrus orange scent improves the cleaning experience, leaving surfaces fresh after use. Now at number 4, 3D Engine Degreaser. 3D Grand Blast is a heavy-duty degreasing solution built for serious automotive cleaning tasks where ordinary cleaners fall short. It delivers strong, professional-level performance that quickly breaks down caked-on grease, oil, and grime, making it highly effective for engine bays, wheel wells, undercarriages, and other high-contamination areas. One of its key strengths is its fast-acting formula, which works on contact to dissolve buildup and rinse away cleanly with minimal scrubbing, saving both time and effort during detailing. Despite its powerful cleaning ability, it is engineered to be safe on multiple surfaces including metal, plastic, paint, and rubber, reducing the risk of damage, staining, or corrosion when used correctly. The low-odor, non-staining nature also makes it more comfortable for regular use in garages or workshops. Environmentally conscious design adds further value, balancing performance with responsible formulation. Finally, our last pick, Sonax Engine Degreaser. Sonax Engine Cleaner is a powerful yet controlled degreasing solution designed to restore engines and mechanical parts to a clean, near-new condition. It effectively breaks down and removes stubborn oil, grease, and dirt from engines, tools, machines, and assembly components, making it highly suitable for both routine maintenance and deep detailing. Despite its strong cleaning ability, it is carefully formulated to be safe on metal, plastic, and rubber surfaces, ensuring no staining or discoloration on sensitive engine bay components such as brake lines, AC lines, or plastic covers. The phosphate and solvent-free composition makes it an eco-friendlier option, allowing regular use without harsh chemical concerns. Its excellent penetration ability helps it reach tight, hard-to-access areas for a more complete and thorough clean with minimal effort. Ideal for professionals and DIY users, it delivers dependable performance while supporting proper engine care and finishing when paired with post-cleaning trim protection products. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.